A warm welcome to everyone. Myself Astha Dubey. We are gathered here to exchange ideas and open discussion on English medium versus Hindi medium. Reality so makes you more bold and you learn new skills like editing. This is Team A and this is Team A. Team A, introduce yourself.
Good morning, myself Riddhi Dubey and this is Matt.
Hello, myself Swara.
Hello, myself Martika.
Hi, myself is Neha.
Hello, I am Arpita.
Hi, myself is Hazel.
Hello, I am Mayan.
Now Team B.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sagun Yadav and this is my team.
Hello, I am Priyanshi. Hello, I am Mansi.
Hello, myself Yogi Singh.
Hello, myself Subhanshu.
Hello, myself Gul. Without wasting time, let's start the debate.
English medium schools are better because in present generation English is the global language and it is used worldwide. So if we are going to have higher education, it must be only in English.
Okay, but Hindi is also a language of global significance as it is open up opportunities for education, communication, business and diplomacy. It is widely learned and taught in many countries, especially in Asia and Middle East, where it helps to foster the cultural understanding and cooperations.
Okay, listen to me. Here are some benefits. Studying in English medium school improve English proficiency. The student becomes fluent in reading, writing, speaking and listening in English. Career benefits, career advancement. English language skills are essential for career advancement in many industries.
Okay, Swara, I agree, but Hindi is more than just a language. It is a gateway to India and its culture. That is why learning Hindi, student can connect with the music and history, one of the oldest civilizations. This connection fosters a sense of pride and real identity. Student can connect with Hindi is more than just a language. It is a gateway to India and its culture. That is why learning history. Student can connect with the history, music, and one of the oldest civilizations. This connection fosters a sense of pride and real identity, helping students to understand their root and appreciate of India's culture.
Why is it you obsessed with English medium school?
Hey Yogi, listen to me because English can help people connect with the wider audience and access information on the internet. English is the international language, there is no limit, but Hindi is the national language, there is a limit.
Okay, but Hindi medium can focus on the holistic development of offering extracurricular activities like sports and culture, even in Hindi to help the student developing their talent beyond academics.
A great author said, निज भाषा उन्नति आहे सब उन्नति को मूल बिन निज भाषा ज्ञान के मिटे नहीं के सूल.
English is the international of the world.
Okay, Subhasu, I answered your question because people in other countries give a special preference even English though that do not speak it as a first language. English is a very important for traders because they have to sell their product on the internet.
Hey Arpita, you are from India and why are you appreciating English?
Okay, but this is the era of English. Nowadays, English is more spoken than Hindi. Teenagers also sing English songs.
Okay, but the student of Hindi medium learn and speak better than the student of English medium. They know both languages, but the student of English medium, they are not able to command in Hindi language.
The great author Mahatma Gandhi said, English language is so elastic that you can find another word to say the same thing. That means language of work and language of words to describe one.
Okay. श्री भारतेंद्र जी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ी के जब जब सब गुण हो प्रवीण पै निज भाषा ज्ञान के रहत हीन के हीन. As it has quoted, a child's mother tongue is the foundation of another language.
English language is nobody's special property. It is property of imagination.
Today, the inclination of people toward English medium has increased as compared to Hindi medium. People prefer English medium more. Everywhere, English medium schools have opened everywhere. Everyone wants to study in English medium schools. Thank you.